Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 59, which is the mode of the given data below: 7, 9, 6, 5, 6, 6, 9, 8, 6, 7. A we have 5, B we have 6, C 7, and D 9. So we have to find the mode of this given data. Now the data given includes 7, 9, 6, 5, 6, 6, 9, 8, 6, 7. Now mode here simply means what? Number with the data with the most appearance, that is the number that appear most, that is most appearance, or you can simply say what? Number with highest frequency. Number with highest frequency will give us the what? Will give us the mode. Now we have numbers starting from 5 to 9. Let's list out these numbers: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we want to know the frequency, that is number of times this number would appear. Now let's take a look at 5. 5 appear just once. Now 6 appear 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now 7 appeared 1, 2 twice. And 8 appeared once. 8 appeared once. Then 9 appeared twice. Now if you look at these figures here, you can see that 6 is the number that appeared most, with 4 appearance. So therefore we say 6 is the mode of this given data. The mode is equal to 6, that is 6 is the number with the most appearance, with the highest frequency. So option B is the correct answer, 6. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.